Hey everybody, this is just a little quick tutorial video to show you how to utilize OneNote in your class. If you're not familiar with OneNote, it's like a program that's a virtual whiteboard, and everything that I write is synced to the cloud, and you can see it at any time as soon as I write it. So when the class started, you should have gotten an email from me giving you access to the class. If you can't find that email, you can go to, in your internet, go to onenote.com/classnotebook, and you will click Class Notebook Sign In. And then at this step, you will enter your student email address and then your password, and it will open OneNote inside a web browser. So you can continue to use OneNote inside a web browser. However, as a student, you have access to all the Microsoft Office products for free, and so you can download the OneNote program. When you're in the program, then you will sign in to OneNote using your student email, and it will sync up the class notebooks. Now, once you are in the notebook, the way you find the material, the way I share it, there is a collaboration space where we can all write and we can all edit and change things. I've put the course notes and things like that in the content library, so you can view them, but you can't edit them. That's just to keep someone from accidentally deleting the material. So what you'll do is you'll click the little down area here beside content library. And when you do that, you see we have OneNote is broken up into sections and pages. And so for the sections, I have the day that we met, and then over here on the pages, I have the specific topics that we talked about. And you can see you can click on any one of these, and there's links to videos and things like that. And additionally, you can set this up on a tablet or a phone even, and view the notes that way. It doesn't have to even be a computer if you get the OneNote app. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.